Lethal genes are present in any plant or any animal. The plants are going to die because the lethal genes are called poison genes. If the poison genes are present in any plant or any animal, that plants will go to die because the presence of lethal genes. The lethal genes means poisonous genes. Poisonous genes are two types, means lethal genes are two types. They are dominant lethal genes, second one recessive lethal genes. Dominant lethal genes, recessive lethal genes. Dominant lethal genes means at the embryonal stage, if the lethal genes are in the dominant position, that living organisms, zygotes or that living organisms completely died. They cannot develop into plantlet or they cannot develop into animal because the presence of lethal genes. Which genes here? It is dominant lethal genes. Now second type is recessive lethal genes. Recessive lethal genes are present in any part of plant or any plant or in any zygote of animal. They cannot develop into plantlet, they cannot develop into animal because presence of recessive lethal genes. The recessive lethal genes are expressed by following examples. First, here it is albinism in snapdragon. Albinism in snapdragon. Generally in snapdragon plants, three types of pigments are present. First one is chlorophyll pigments containing capital C genes. The capital C genes are completely green in color. Capital C genes are in dominant position. They are in healthy condition. They are present in any part of plant, any plant that plants are expressed. That plants means that snapdragon plants are expressed green color. So the green color plants are healthy in condition. They can prepare food material by photosynthesis. And the second snapdragon plants containing heterozygotic plants. They containing capital C small c genes. Capital C small c genes. That capital C small c gene snapdragon plants are golden in color. Golden in color. The golden in color plants are also prepared food material by the photosynthesis. If these two gold and green color plants are crossed to form F2 generation, in F2 generation, the third type of plants are developed. Third type of snapdragon plants are developed. What are the third type of snapdragon plants? Here it is small c, small c. Small c means they are in recessive position. If the the small c genes are in recessive position, the chlorophyll is in colorless. Colorless chlorophyll means they are in white color. The white color chlorophyll pigments are developed in the snapdragon by the recessive epistosis genes. Recessive lethal genes, not epistosis, recessive lethal genes. By the recessive lethal genes, in snapdragon, albinism is developed. Albinism means white color plants are developed. The white color plants cannot prepare food material. That white color plants are died because presence of recessive lethal genes. Presence of recessive lethal genes. It is the golden color snapdragon plants. Two golden color snapdragon plants are crossed. The golden color snapdragon plants containing capital C, small c, capital C, small c. These are crossed to form F2 generation. So here it is one plant containing capital C, capital C. They are in healthy condition because they are in green color. Two plants are in heterozygotic condition. They containing capital C, small c. They containing capital C, small c. They are in heterozygotic condition. These are in golden color. They are also in healthy condition. But one plant is died because presence of recessive lethal genes. Presence of recessive lethal genes. So finally, the phenotypic ratio in snapdragon of albinism 1 is to 2 is to 1 change into 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 only or 2 is to 1 only. In the second example, in recessive lethal genes, GIA maize. In Giamese albinism. In Giamese also, here it is three types of plants. One is capital G. They are in green color, healthy condition. They can prepare food material by photosynthesis. And the second plant is containing capital G small g. They are also in green color, but they are in heterozygotic condition. These heterozygotic condition green color plants are also participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. And the last one is, means third one is small g gene. The small g gene plants are containing white color chlorophylls. The white color chlorophylls means they cannot prepare food material. So these plants are died. These Giamese plants are died because the white color cannot prepare food material. So these small g gene containing Giamese plants are died because presence of lethal genes, recessive lethal genes in the Giamese. See, here it is capital G small g, capital G small g. Capital G small g means heterozygotic green color plants. They containing chlorophyll, green color chlorophyll. They are in healthy condition, but they are in heterozygotic. The heterozygotic green color Giamese plants are crossed to form F2 generation. The F2 generation phenotypic ratio 1:2:1 change into 3:0 only. 3:1. Generally, the phenotypic ratio of F1, F2, here it is 3:1, but 3:1 change into 3 only. Here it is why they change into 3. Here it is one plant completely green in color. Two plants are in heterozygotic green in color. By physically, they are different, means they express it phenotypically similar color, green color. Three plants are green color, one plant is white in color, one plant is white in color. White color Giamese plants are died because presence of recessive lethal genes. So finally the F2 generation of Giamese lethal genes 3:1 change into 3 only. The three plants are green in color. That is the phenotypic ratio of albinism in Giamese. And the next one is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia in human beings. See, here it is the human beings mainly three types of blood groups: HbA, HbA. HbA means they are in healthy condition. HbA, HbS. They are containing sickle cell anemia disease. Sickle cell anemia disease. If HbS homozygotic condition, that human beings are died. What is mean of a sickle cell means? Generally RBC cells are carries oxygens and carbon dioxide in the human body by the hemoglobin. They are in healthy condition, they carry oxygen and carbon dioxide in healthy condition by the hemoglobin. If some cells of RBC convert into crescent shape like structure, crescent shape like structure means they convert into sickle cell like structure. The sickle cell containing human beings are crossed with another sickle cell human beings. They produced one generation. In F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 generally. But the sickle cell anemia phenotypic ratio 1:2:1 change into 1:2 only because one human beings are containing healthy blood group HbA. Two human beings are containing HbA, HbS, sickle cell anemia carriers, but these are also living normal like condition. They containing sickle cell anemia disease. They are living normal like carriers, sickle cell carriers. These three persons are living in normal conditions, but one person completely died because presence of recessive lethal genes. What are the recessive lethal genes? Here it is sickle cell anemia recessive lethal genes. If the sickle cell anemia recessive lethal genes are present in human body, that human body cannot develop into adult body. That they are died completely at embryonal stage only. The finally in sickle cell anemia, phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 change into 1:2 only. It is the diagram of lethal genes. So children, these are important